Today we are making these yummy cookies with 3 ingredients and they're made out of cake mix. Welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes. To get started making these cookies, we need a yellow cake mix, two large eggs, a half a cup of vegetable oil. We'll mix it all together. Of course, I wanted to add some more fun things to these cookies, so I added a half a cup of chocolate chips and then a half a cup of mini M&Ms. We're gonna mix all of that together. Then we'll get a cookie scoop. We'll scoop the cookies out onto a parchment paper lined pan. Then we'll bake them at 350 for 9 to 11 minutes. They're light and fluffy. Some of the best cookies that we've made here at Shalise Bakes Cakes, and they're so easy. 3 ingredients, so yummy. Go make them. Let me know if you guys love them as much as I do and what else you guys want me to make with cake mix. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalise Bakes Cakes. Have an awesome day.